Okay, so this is my laptop. This is compaq f700, and this is really my problem, and it won't turn on. And I just followed some, my comments, instructions, suggestions in YouTube, so I followed that one. So this is what happens. It tells there that I have to unplug this one and remove the battery. So this is what I did. Remove the battery, and I long press the power button for 30 minutes or 30 seconds. I tried it about 8 times, but nothing happens again. And I would appreciate if you'll put some comments, suggestions, and how to fix this one. Okay, so that one, I plug this one now, and the light is there, the blue light, and I have now to press the power button, as it says that if you're going to plug that one for a long press, then you have to turn it on. So there it goes. Nothing happens, guys. So sad. So that's it. The light is on in about a second. It turns off now, and then I don't know what to do. That one. So if I'm going to put the battery on, so this is what happens. Okay, and now I have to plug this one. Is this right? Did I have to plug this one after putting the battery back? And there it goes. The light is there also, as you can see. I have to press this one. Nothing happens again, guys. So if you have some comments, suggestions, I will appreciate that one. And thank you for watching. And please help me in how to fix this compaq f700. Thanks for watching.